Statistics, what is up? This is C-Squared Mathematics, and this is the last video for this week, the last video for Unit 7. So 4.3, the probability distributions, the binomial distributions, the basics of probability distributions for 4.1, 4.2. Those were the last videos, the last lessons for Unit 7, probability. We are just around the corner to get to Unit 8, the statistics unit, where we're going to be spending so much more time on Desmos. What are we going to be doing today? Bell work, get you on the homework quiz, and then you personally are just going to be reviewing. I am going to go over 2 questions on the bell work, so this is going to be a rather short video. I'm just going to show you how to plug into Desmos and rejuvenate some of your mind, help you remember, and then you are going to be doing the actual test. That test will be 90 minutes, and it'll be 20 questions. You need to complete it before the end of the week. Let's get started on the bell work. So these are 2 questions that you'll definitely probably see, more than likely see, on the homework quiz. So let's go through the first one. Find the indicated probabilities using geometric or the Poisson or binomial. Okay? So this one's kind of difficult because now it's kind of telling you, oh shoot, like you can use Poisson, binomial, or geometric. How do you know which one it is? So first of all, it's on a homework quiz, so it's definitely not going to be binomial. That's first of all. So but how do you know which one is geometric or Poisson? Let's continue reading. We're going to determine if the event is unusual. It is unusual if the probability is less than 0.05. Okay? Just FYI. If the probability is less than 0.05, it's unusual. So inconvenient, use the appropriate probability table or technology. We'll definitely be using technology. Desmos. Now, it says the mean number of births given per minute in a country in a recent year was about 9. Now, first of all, mean. Does geometric distributions, do geometric distributions, or binomial distributions for that matter, do they have a mean? No. The only distribution that has a mean is Poisson. So which one are we going to be using? Not that. Not that. We're going to be using Poisson. So my first step is to label out my mean, and that is 9. My second step, find the probability that the mean number of births, or that the number of births, rather, in any given minute is exactly 5. So x will be 5. It will also then be, for b, at least 5. So x will also be greater than or equal to 5. And then more than 5, that's going to be x is greater than 6, because it's not going to be equal to 6. So my next step is going to be going through A. So what is A? So the probability of 5 equals, B will be the probability of x is greater than or equal to 5. We'll say equals. And then C will be the probability of x being greater than 6, more than 5, but not equal to 5. So let's go to town on this. Let's go to town. 5 greater than or equal to 5, and then greater than 6. So here is my distributions. I want to go to Poisson right here. Okay. Awesome. So I'm going to go to Poisson. Now, what do? Well, first of all, I want PDF. That's definitely not my mean that I want. My mean is 9, and then I want at least 5. So boom, that is my answer. 0.019. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to type in 0.019, or at least write it. Boom. So for B, it's greater than 5. Now that's going to be CDF. That means it's going to be cumulative. So greater than 5, I'm going to go over here. So greater than 5, I need to go down here. So that means I don't want that. I want 9. Greater than 5. So that means my min needs to be 5, but then greater than 5, remember, I can leave it at infinity. So greater than 5, 0.945. 0.945. I want to leave it at infinity, so it counts that as it goes 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It goes on forever, but it's still a min of 5. That's greater than 5 right there. It looks like this, and it goes down forever and ever and ever and ever. Okay? Sweet. Okay, so 9.45. So 0.945. And now I want greater than 6. So that means I go over here. All I have to do is just change this. So greater than or greater than 5. Sorry. If this is more than 5, that means it's greater than or equal to 6. My bad. Wow. If it's more than 5, it's greater than or equal to 6. That's what I'm trying to say. That's the exact same thing. More than 5 is the same thing as greater than or equal to 6. But I could also say x is greater than 5. That's really the exact same thing too. But I want to do that. It means the exact same thing. So let's just keep this at 6. So greater than or equal to 6. And that's my probability, 0.884. 0.884. I go over here and I type in 0.884. Perfect. That is how you do that. All right. Now, let's get to the next question. So the next question, assume the geometric distribution applies. So now I'm going to be using geometric. Use the probability, the given probability of success P right here, 80 degrees. That's trigonometry. 80% or 0.80. Find the indicated probability. So what is that? That means my x is actually going to be 4. Okay, I want to find that. And then obviously they say my p is 0.08. So what am I really doing? I'm just finding one little thing, probability of 4. That's it. So let's change my p to 80 and then a probability of 4. So let's go over here. So geometric. So I'm going to erase all this. Now, if my p is 80, I'm going to change this to 80. Now, what does that mean for my q? What is my q? My q must be 20 because that is my complement, right? And then all I want is the probability of 4. So what do I have? 0.0064. That is my answer, 0.0064. And that's it. That's all you need to do. So I go back over here, 0.0064. That is the probability of 4 for geometric distributions. Fantastic. Those are the 2 questions I just wanted to go over. The other questions on the homework quiz are very, very similar to this. Make sure you watch the notes. Watch the video. Read the notes, write the notes, take the notes, okay? And so I will be checking notes this week, so make sure you complete them. Take the homework quiz, 5 questions, 25 minutes, and then review. You have the whole time to review. Make sure you are reviewing, okay? Do the homework quiz, then you're going to be reviewing. If you do the review at 100%, you get up to 5 extra credit points on the test. I know this was a short video. I just wanted to go over the bell work with you guys. This will be the last video for the week. If you have any questions, anything at all, please, please, please do not hesitate to email me, okay? I want you guys to succeed. Let me know if you need anything else, okay? This is C Squared Mathematics. Be sure to like and subscribe. Make good choices.